A lot is getting expensive. Even to go astray is not expensive. I would have gone astray, but I don't get transport.
Ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Praise Rastafari,
Yes.
more and
You bring it down. Percy enter bush, go commit suicide. He see kidnapper, he run. Because they shout, what he carry you enter bush in the first place? Listen to me. In life, you are the author of your own happiness. So, yes, happiness begins from within. Yes, you are the author of your own happiness. That's why if everything that is happening here never give you a reason to be happy, your problem is bigger than entertainment. What you need is a therapist. Hello? Go and see your doctor. Yes. Happiness begins from within. Anytime you notice you are feeling down, just have it at the back of your mind that you are the cause of your depression. You are not depressed. Now you don't want to come out from another man's success. That's all life be. In case you are meeting me for the first time, I do motivational comedy. That's what my comedy debut. You love my craft, follow me on Instagram, Brain Wizzy Official, that's what we do. This generation now, if you help anybody, collect receipt. This generation lack memory. Who you help today, if they tell you tomorrow, what have you done for me? Yes. If possible, pay evil for evil. Nobody be smart picking again. Everybody knows what they are doing. If not be wickedness, a person go carry light, go put for the end of the tunnel. Wait to do the entrance. Oh God. Hey. Yes. DJ, bring it down. Bring it down. And let me say this. Let me educate you on the power of money. Listen to me. If you are a human being, I don't want to say man or woman, provided you are a human being, adopt every means it takes to survive and become successful in life. Because poverty and failure is hard to explain. Am I communicating? It's hard to explain. Try get money. Make them no use advice. Kill you for problem where money be solved. Am I communicating? Yes. Get money. Get why? A pot belly without a corresponding bank account is an illegal structure. Oh. Yes. Nothing is free in this life. The only thing you get for free in life is advice, especially from the poor people. Yes, my brother. A poor man will tell you money is not everything. Money is not everything. You not be wondering whether poverty is everything. Is poverty everything? Poverty is not everything. Yes. Nothing is free. Even for you to understand my jokes today, you need to pay attention. Oh God. Yes. If you don't understand that joke, follow them clap. Make them know say you go to school too. Now so that they do it. Yes. Nothing is free. Now poverty, they make person compare AC with standing fan. They say, I like the way they fan the blue, baba, you don't get money. Yes. Poverty is a bastard. Now poverty, they make person buy credit on credit. I think I deserve a credit for that joke. Now clap. Yes. Poverty is bad. Customer is always right. Customer is always right. Not before you want to buy something on credit. So if you want to buy something on credit, you don't even have human rights. Yes. Try get money. Now yesterday now, person want borrow money from you on WhatsApp. He go on disappearing messages. I want to see proof that I borrow you money now. He go put message disappear after 24 hours, and he said he will pay me the money back after 24 hours. Who be mumu? Eh? Listen to me. And you know, say, all these people will borrow money. There is a big many stories. So, there is a big story. And in Nigeria, if you want to borrow money from somebody, you tell the person's story. Only for you to tell the story finish, and the person will tell you another bigger story where pass your own. So you tell the person's story, the person tell you his own story. It can't be like story. That's all life be. That's why you need to have money. Adopt every means. Try get money. Get why? As a man, listen to me. No lady is too hard or too strict to get. It depends on your financial status. You can't be a man, work, you don't get money, you don't get skill, you don't get. You are looking for a lady to love you for who you are, my brother. Who the hell are you? Who you be? Even you, do you love yourself for who you are? You don't get money, they put your phone for do not disturb. Who won't disturb you? They disturb who don't get money. You don't get money, they pray for goodness and mercy to follow you. They follow you, you get their transport. Eh? You don't get. Oh, man, a club now. Yes. You they live for one room, you get mine, go buy parlor dog. Now the dog don't piss for your bed, now you invest for the dog. Eh? You can't they blame the dog. They call him parlor dog for a reason. Try get money, get why? Listen to me as a man, the way you look at your phone when you don't have data, It's the same way ladies will look at you when you don't have money. Useless. Useless. Yes. And I'll say this before I go. Nigeria is very funny. You know why I say so? This last election made us, even people where politics no concerned, they talk about politics. Yes, I was surprised when a blind man, someone that cannot see, was telling me from the look of things, they don't rig this election. How you take see things? How you take see? And listen to me, one of the lessons I learned from this last election is this. In Nigeria, those who vote decide nothing. Those who count the vote decides everything. That's the real fact. The Bible says in the book of Genesis chapter 12, verse 1, and Abraham left his land to a land that God showed him. He left the country and he started doing well. My question for you and I is this. You sure say not be the country where God tell Abraham to live with us, so you dey reason that thing? Yes. Reason now. Even in Nigeria now, let me tell you something. A lot is happening, this country, they change people's destiny. Yes. A lot is happening. That's why, listen to me. In Nigeria now, 1,000 will listen to your story. 10,000 will advise you on how to go about solving it. At the end of the day, only you will pay the bills. DJ, bring it down. I'll say this before I go. Finally, life will always be full of challenges. As you are facing family challenge, another person will face TikTok challenge. Challenge is challenge. It will even surprise you that there's someone else living in a place at Ibadan called challenge. So you are facing challenge, someone else is living in challenge. Yes. Now so one Yahoo boy pay person bride price with fake alert. Up till now, Ed has never say alert and he don't give that picky belle. What a wicked word. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this content, follow me on Instagram, Brain Wizzy Official. See you next time. I love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Brain Wizzy. All the way.